Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Davey with Western Material Handling. Today we are here and excited to test drive stock number D25S-3. Excellent operating 2005 Daewoo D25S-3. It's a 5,000 pneumatic tire forklift. David is going to give us an awesome demonstration fast. It's equipped with a 187-inch triple stage mast. This unit does have side shift carriage, plus a load backrest, and 42-inch forks. Has a great running diesel engine with an automatic transmission. Has good air pneumatic drive tires, which are dually, and excellent solid pneumatic tires in the steers. Has had recent repairs, brand new paint job, plus a brand new PM service ready for work. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or stop by either store in Denver or Fort Collins. Thank you very much for watching. We appreciate it.